Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, teaching you from the land of the rising sun. As I promised when I made my last video of 2023 that I will start trading and analysis second week of January. And we're in second week of January. So now I will show you some pairs from monthly to 4 hours. Because of time, I will not show all, but all will be available on my premium channel. That is the student and VIP channel on my Telegram. Options monthly, weekly, 4 hours will be available. I want you to do something for me. I want you to rate my analysis in a scale of 1 to 10. If it is poor, maybe 1 or 2 or 3. If it is good, maybe 6, 7, 8, 9. Just rate my analysis from a scale of 1 to 10. I want to see your comments. I want to see your comments. I want to know how my analysis have impacted your trading. How you are trading better. I want to know, because it's time to review what I'm doing. I want to know whether I will continue, stop, or change strategy. So it's all for you, because I'm doing it for you. I can analyze and trade on my own. We start making videos on YouTube. Because I like to teach. That's why I'm doing this. Secondly, I want you to share my charts, introduce your friends who are traders to me, because why I have course. I train people on my channel, on my Telegram channel. I have a group for students alone. You pay the 2 money and join me. I also have Slack channel where I post chats. So I need new people, new subscribers, new traders, new students. Thank you for watching. Once again, welcome to the year 2024. I pray that this year will be better than last year, because as a trader, I gain more experience while I trade. So let's dive into the business. So as you can see, this is a monthly chart on DXY. So I expect a little drop based on monthly chart. Maybe we're going to 90. That is three waves. Then we go up again. So that's what the monthly chart is showing me on DXY. So let's check weekly charts. Weekly charts, just as previous analysis suggests, that this is expanding flat as wave B. This is A, B, C. So the monthly, weekly, I showed something. So maybe 90, 92 before we go up. So daily charts, the same thing. There's nothing to worry about on DXY. DXY is going down. The only difference is that based on daily, we must get an A, B, C before going down. That means we can go we can go to 104, 103 point something like that before we go down again. Or let me show you my so let me show you my labeling. So that's you will go up a bit higher before going down, which is visible on the 4-hour chart. You want to go higher. This can be this can be it can be an A, B, C, something like this before going down, or it can go down from here. So just be careful. If you're trading, if you're selling DXY, your analysis, your stop loss will be above 104. That's 104.5, something somewhere because this can be an ABC, as I said earlier. Okay, let's go to Euro USD. Let me go to monthly again. Monthly suggests that we may, and of course, this is the main trend, but we can still get a move down before the buying starts. So let's check weekly. So weekly, we can get this ABC. So the price can still come down to 1.01. So 1.02 to 1.01 before going up, and it can make this move. It go down very well. We can get this move. We can get this A, B, C. That is, USD might go lower to 0.87, 0.85, even 0.80. And you know, this weekly charts, maybe before end of the year, this may happen. Or at least we're gonna see 1.03, 1.02, something like that before this buying. So it means that it means that we can get this before this, or we can get this, and get this before this. So that's all for weekly, daily charts. Daily charts, we have two alternatives. Either the price goes up and go down, or it will go down from here, give us this, and begin to sell. Okay, so it's either this is the wave 4, or this wave 4 have ended here. Either wave 4 has ended here, or it will come to this place, or maybe this wave C will terminate here before selling and buying, or before selling deeper. If you follow my, if you are on my Telegram channel, remind me to update you on Euro USD, because the chart is somehow complex. It has so many alternatives, but 4 hours and 1 hour is easier to trade because I expect an ABC. So this is what I expect to happen. The question is, we need to go up higher. We need to go higher again before selling, or we sell from here. In any case, if you want to sell, where you sell from here, stop loss will be here. Because you may put stop loss here, it will go up again, kill your stop loss and drop. So if you sell now, fine. If you wait for this, it may not happen. But once here is broken, it's time to sell. Okay, the next is USD CAD. On weekly charts, we have two things. We have two things on weekly charts. This is WXY. Now, this WXY may not happen. Okay, or it may happen like this. It may this X might come here before it may play out. So you may get this type of move, this move, this move, this move. So I show you all these so that you get prepared in case any of them happens. In any case, in market standard, this is what will happen based on technical standard of market movements, but not a must. So meanwhile, as this weekly chart, it doesn't matter for now. Let's go to daily. Okay, daily, what you have here on daily suggests that you will likely get a move like this. This is impulse. You get an A, B, C, then it drops again. So it's now We now wait for the market to play out. With 4 hours and 1 hour charts, we now know what the market is trying to do. So in any case, on 4 hours, what I can see on 4 hours is that the market can just make an A, B, C, or it can just keep going like this before it will drop. So at least this very drop is sure. When market comes to this zone, we are pretty sure it's gonna drop. But dropping the deeper price I show you on weekly, when times comes, we know whether it will happen or not. But for now, so let's focus on this, and this. That's for USD CAD, USD 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 is clearer than USD CAD. So let me just go to daily. So USD is somehow clearer than USD CAD. So you can see this, everything is everything looks perfect on USD. So we're looking for one more sell before the big buy starts. So let me just go down to 4 hours where we see it clearer. Okay, you can see this is wave A. Wave B can form any shape, but once the price comes to wave C, I will sell. I would prefer to sell wave C than buying wave B. But if you are trading on lower time frame, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, you can buy wave B. If you get a nice setup, you can buy it and then sell again. But for me, I wait for this and sell, and I will target this zone. I will target somewhere like this, 0.81, 0.82, 0.81, 0.80 will be my target. Okay, if I sell USD. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Pounds USD, anything on daily, let me check daily. Yeah, daily, we have something that looks like an AB. Is, you know, since last year, I've been looking for this drop. Even now, I'm still looking for this drop. I cannot buy pounds USD now because I don't see this thing to buy. You may see this thing to buy if you go down to 1 hour. But looking at it, even weekly, let me check weekly. Even weekly, I don't see this thing to buy pounds USD. You can see this looks like a perfect ABC trying to happen. So let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, what I'm trying to figure out is when the selling will start. Because the possibility of the price going back to this top before selling is here. That is this N, B, C. It can happen. Or this is the top. This can be the top, which means this is wave 1. This is wave 2. Then we see something like this happening. In any case, to avoid being confused, once the price goes below 1.2606, you look for sell setup. Mind you, it can do something like this. So whenever I suspect this type of thing, I'll just place sell stop here. If it doesn't drop fast, if it drops and begin to go up again, I will just check whether to close it or not. But if it drops very fast, now here will be stop loss. But if it comes to this zone, I look for sell around this zone. Okay, that's for pounds USD. USD. USD, anything on weekly or daily. USD is a nice setup. I can see a nice setup on this one on weekly chart because it's obvious this is wave 1, this is wave 2, then this is wave 1 of a lower degree, wave 2 of a lower degree. So it's a nice, one of the best trade to take this year. And going down to 1 hour, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is another wave 1. Okay, let me just go to 4 hours to show you what I mean that this is wave 1. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which is the bigger wave 1. So in any case, once you get this A, we have gotten A already, wave B and C. Now, the little sort to solve is what this wave B completed, or will it still go up? It can still go up, it may have completed. But if you don't know what to do, just allow this to complete. For it about selling, I like to sell wave C before buying the next wave. But if it becomes complex, I leave it and wait for the buy. Okay, so don't lose money, don't trade carelessly. If you don't have experience, instead of trading and losing money, blowing accounts, you pay me little money and I will mentor you. Within 6 months, you will be okay, unless you are a slow learner. If you are a fast learner, 6 months, even 3 months, you will be okay in my class because I teach it in a simple terms. I'll break it down for you that it will be clear to you. Everything will be clear to you. Okay? Using the USD, the same situation, ABC, then we buy. There's nothing much to worry about. New Zealand pays. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another wave 1, ABC wave 2. It's very simple trade to take. Just wait for this to happen. Then you can now buy. Or if you must sell, go to 1 hour or 15 minutes. You can see 1 hour. You can see this into sell it from here. Or 1 hour you can see this into sell. But mind you, stop loss remains here. Here is the stop loss. Mind you. Okay, but when the price drops lower, now you cannot move stop loss to this zone. Okay, that's how to trade. That's how to trade if you're a professional. BT25, this move is expected. This move is expected, but now if you didn't buy it from here, wait for sell setup because it will give us correction. It will give us correction. Okay, so don't trade at the wrong time. Everything is clear from onset. Everything is clear. I show you everything in a clear manner. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So now wait for ABC. Wait for sell setup to trade the ABC. Meanwhile, I don't trade with A. I only trade with C. Or maybe the internal structure of with A, I will trade it if I get the opportunity to trade it. Okay, so nothing more to show you on this pair. 3225, waiting for setup. USJPY, the market is at reversal zone already. So if you haven't entered it, look for setup. The risk target is 140, 150, 148, 145. This is the zone I'm expecting it to stop. And meanwhile, after that, after the price comes to this zone, I look for something like this, and that drop, because here will be with W, then with X, and with Y. You know, the euro yen have been going up for a long time. So it can't end here and we could go up again, or end here and go up again. It will give us a very deep correction. So I'm talking out of experience. 4 hours, anything on 4 hours again, I think. So nothing to show you on 4 hours. Let's just go to USD JPY. The same situation, same situation. I'm looking for, this is sell confirmation. Meanwhile, the selling have started. If you go down to 1 hour, you find that selling have started. Okay. If you go deeper to daily, you can see this in either we get this ABC, either we get this ABC, then another ABC, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, before we now buy. Or we just get a big A, B, C, which might end here. Then the buying starts again. In any case, time is to sell, not to buy. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. What do we expect? Same situation. Same situation. We are selling. This is an ABC, and it's selling. After this, we might get another selling. Okay, but for now, let's focus on this. Meanwhile, let me show you something on pounds JPY. The possibility of this deep move is here, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is ABC. So this big ABC can play out. So if you see pounds JPY going down with the speed, you know that we are going to get down to 120. So it's possible. Just watch this. You can see this type of move. After this move, this sharp move. After that, this very sharp move. So markets always repeat itself. So if you see a sharp move, just relax. I know that we are going down to 120, 130, 120, 125, or thereabouts. So this is, I don't show you what will likely happen next month, next 2 months, and so on. Okay, good. Let's go to gold. Gold. Gold and silver this time around require an experienced trader. You trade anyhow, you lose. Because why? Because why? If you look at gold in a standard technical terms, this is what I expect. Okay, but not yet confirmed. So we focus on 4 hours and 1 hour on gold. So going down to 4 hours. 4 hours, I even expected it to give me a sharp move before, but it was going slowly. In that case, to avoid the losing trade, allow this to break before you sell, because it can just mess you up and do something like this, something like this, something like this, before it will drop. But then your stop will be here and it will kill your stop. Okay, so I don't want anybody following me to be losing carelessly. You can make a loss, but don't lose carelessly. If you trade carelessly, you lose carelessly. So I always avoid careless trading. So allow it to break this place before you now sell. Okay, so same situation on silver. Though silver seems to be better than gold. So silver, okay, let me show you daily again on silver. Using a technical eye on silver, this is what I expect. 19.520 or thereabouts. Technically approach, but as we go lower, we check again. On silver, it's almost certain we're going to get this. That is price going lower to 21, 20, 20.5, and so on. Then the possibility of going down to 19 is still here. So now, for you to sell silver, is either you go down to 1 hour and look for sell setup, because it seems that we are getting an expanding flat, something like this. Maybe it can still go up higher before selling. Okay, but here will be stop loss. Okay, 1 hour will be better. Go down to 1 hour and look for sell setup. Platinum, there's something I see on platinum on weekly charts that I won't ignore. Okay, so platinum can come down to 680, even 600. So be warned, if you are buying platinum, be warned. This, okay, let me show you. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A. This is A, B, C, running flat. And this looks like an A, B, C. So if you zoom out, you see something that looks like running flat again, or an expanded flat happening there again. So be careful on platinum, because we might go down to 700, 650, 600. Okay, so let's check daily. So daily, you can see this is sharp move. This is sharp move. If this move if it had made something like this, if it had made a slow move, something like this, then I know it will be buy, but it keeps going very fast. So be careful. You're gonna get a new low. I mean, low from this zone. This zone will be broken. This is what I can see. Okay. So let's go to oil, US oil. US oil, remember many months ago, I said that US oil, that it will likely go below 60. I said that if you're watching my video, remember I said we likely go below 50. So, and below 60. No? Wait. Anyway, I remember I said oil is going lower than where we expect. So oil might go below 50, at least below 60. So now, this current chart suggests that we are having, that this wave Z is likely play out. So expect oil to sell again. Let's go to 4 hours and check. Now, this is my target on oil. My target for now is 65 to 63. This zone is where I target oil. So for now, I will sell oil on 1 hour chart, because clearly this is wave 4. Then this is wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. We play out. So that's my own take on oil. I don't have to buy oil now. Okay, let's go to US 100 NASDAQ. Meanwhile, there's nothing to show on NASDAQ and others. We are waiting for the price. Okay, German index. This to me, this seems to be A, B, C, W. Then this seems to be with X. Then with Y. So expect another selling. Maybe after that, you get this and drop again before buying. So after all this big move, expect at least something like this zone. So maybe it can still go higher, but this is not time to buy. So allow it to give us correction before you buy. Here's 100. I'm expecting an ABC. That's what I'm expecting. With A, with B, with C. So, but here is the sell, this confirmation for the sell because it can do this and do this, which means this wave 5 can still be here before we get an ABC. So careful as you're trading, don't trade carelessly. If you trade carelessly, you lose carelessly. SP 500, maybe wave 5 is still going up, or it will give us a kind of, this can be a running flat at the new high, or it will give us, it will go up a little higher before giving us a ABC. So I'm looking for normal correction. This drop, this is just a pullback. And maybe it will give us running flat. If it gives us running flat, I look for sell buy setup based on 1 hour or 15 minutes to buy again before this will happen. Here starting. Here starting the situation. I would like it to break this line before I look for sell. Because when the selling will occur, it will go at least. It will go far because it will be going up for a long time. Okay, I think here comes the end of our analysis. Down, also showing the same thing. I'm looking for the first drop before I say the second drop. That's how I trade. First drop, confirmation, second drop, I will sell. Okay, let me squeeze time to cryptos because I will make 2 videos today. Pardon me, this video is at 30 minutes already or more. But because time and I show some monthly and chart. So that's what takes our time. Okay, so BTC. Okay. Okay, BTC, let's watch out for something like this. Something like this. So BTC, we may go down to 40,000, 38,000 before buying again. Unless we got a sharp move. If not, expect this A, B, C. So 40,000, 41,000, 39,000. This is a buying, this is the buying zone for BTC. So that's the end of our analysis. Remember, where BTC is falling, others will fall. So there's no magic. There's no much thing to explain. BTC carry all the other cryptos along. So it's always carry them along. So if BTC is falling, others will fall. Okay. So wow. I've seen something that this time around, Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin. Interesting to see. Interesting to see. Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin. So let's go down to 4 hours. So now you can see the same thing I show you. Watch out for something like this. Something like this. So Ethereum, you can go back 2,300, 2,200. This is the buying zone for Ethereum. So watch out for further drop. Okay, so other cryptos will follow Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all. Okay, if you have any question, we can ask on comment session. Then if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is at the description of this video. At the bio, you will see the links, both Telegram and WhatsApp. But I always focus on WhatsApp. Sorry, I always pay attention to Telegram than WhatsApp. So join my Telegram channel. If you want to learn from me, contact me. My phone number is there. You see my phone number at the bio of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless you.